Welcome to Craft Time. Did you know that in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth? What an amazing thing that is. Joining us for today is Esther and Johnson from Joe's Craft, and we are going to learn something really nice today. Thank you for being on the show.
Thank you for inviting.
What is it that we're going to do today?
Today I'm going to teach carnation flower, how to make carnation.
How to make carnation. Now, carnations are very beautiful.
Yes.
I even use them for my wedding decoration. So,
Yes.
you're telling us this is what you have made.
Yeah,
Can I smell them?
please.
Well, they seem to look real. Are these real leaves? Wow, it's paper.
Yes.
What do I need to do to make something like this?
You just need a roll of tissue paper.
You mean this is tissue paper? The normal tissue paper that we get in the market?
Yes.
Okay. What else do we need to have?
And to make the leaf, you need this paper. This is called duplex paper.
Now, is duplex paper available in the market? Is it easy to get?
Yes.
Yes, every craft shop you get it.
Okay, so this is readily available in any craft shop.
Yes, not on a stationery shop. You'll get it only in the craft shop.
Okay, so only in craft shops it's available, not in the stationery shop.
Exactly.
Very well. Good. What else do we need?
And then you have taped wire.
Now, this is taped wire, right?
Yeah, ready-made wire.
So it comes with this.
Green
tape.
color. It comes with green color.
What would this be used for?
To make for the stem or to attach for the leaf. You don't have to waste time in rolling the tape with the normal wire.
So basically, these wires are something like this,
Yes.
Yes,
which just basically has the tape on it.
correct.
All right.
To save time, we are using a taped wires.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. What else? Yeah. What about?
Then we have this gum. This is the PVA white gum. And this is a transparent gum.
Any particular reason why we have to use both of these, or can't we stick with only one?
So basically if we use this, it takes a little more time to dry. So
Okay.
if you want quick dry, we use this gum.
All right. What else do we need?
Then we have another type of wire.
Okay.
This is also green wire, and we can use it.
This is something like a binding wire
Yes.
that we
Yes,
get.
exactly. And it has an attachment where you can cut it. You can cut the wire without much difficulty. It has a cutter attached.
Okay. That's very nice. So it comes as a roll like this.
Yes,
Yes.
correct.
Is this also
Available
ready-
in stationery shops. It's available.
Okay. So in the stationery shop.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What else do we need?
Then we have a cotton.
Now, what is that going to be used?
Especially when we make stem, this wire is very thin. So to make it thick,
Okay.
needed size, you can use the cotton.
All right. So, what is the procedure to make something like this? I mean, what you have outlined everything for us.
Yes.
Let's go ahead and make
Yes.
a flower.
Yes, surely.
Shall we begin?
So, yes, please.
So we have a tissue roll. So please take it, and already you have a crease.
Right.
Mark.
You have the crease mark there, right?
So you can just cut it there. That is our measurement.
Okay.
And to make one flower, you need two papers. Already I have cut and kept.
All right.
So I'm just going to use this. So I have taken two.
So it's two individual, strips of that
Yeah.
tissue section.
Tissue
Yeah.
paper.
Yeah.
Okay.
So two papers I'm using. And it's very simple.
All right.
You just hold them together, and fan fold, right?
uh, I'm assuming the fan fold is, the paper fan that
Yes, yes.
we used to make
Yeah.
in school.
Yes.
Okay.
So back and forth fold.
Yes.
So you can just hold the paper together within your thumb and index finger
Okay.
and just fold it very thin fold.
Thin folds.
So you want to try?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
I've got to try this out. Is that
Okay.
big enough?
You can do smaller than that.
Small. Okay, as small as possible.
Yes.
So our folds have to be as small as possible.
Small as
Yes.
possible.
Okay. Is there any particular reason for this?
Yeah, then only that beautiful shape will come.
Okay, so the smaller the fold, the prettier the bloom of the
Bloom.
flower
Yes,
is.
yes.
Okay. So
you
let's try that.
Yeah, you can just start folding back and forth. Back and forth.
Okay. Oh, okay, okay. So it's basically wrinkles.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And we-
Unlike other flowers, this has more closeness,
right. I mean, it's more tightly held.
arranged.
Right. I mean, that's how God works.
Yes.
He keeps us all in a bunch together.
Yes.
I guess that's why He created families.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow, this is getting a little difficult for me. I have big fingers, clumsy fingers. I hope you'll forgive me for that.
But you too can do it.
All right. Okay.
So you just get this shape.
All right.
So
The normal fan shape.
yes. Then you can take the wire. So you can take a piece of wire and put it in the middle.
And just tie it.
Yeah.
Before we get any further in this, we'll have a small break. We'll have a small break and be back. Welcome back to Craft Time. We're learning how to make carnation flowers. Joining me is Esther and Johnson from Joe's Craft. We have started making these flowers. Could you just put that there? Right. You folded the tissue paper in a fan fold. You tied it with that
Wire.
wire. What happens next?
So you get like this shape.
All right. Oh, that's a beautiful circular shape.
Arrangement.
Yes. Then you just tie them.
Just a normal twist.
Yes, normal twist. And then you can just
Open up.
open each layer of the paper.
Okay, okay, so these papers come with double layers.
Double
and
layers.
So
So
you
I
have
have
four
four
layers
Yes.
of paper to open
Unfold.
up.
So each layer you just open it. When you open it, you have to do both the sides. Don't open one side alone. So after finishing this side, you have to go to the other side.
The other side meaning?
The other part of
Okay, the
Fans, the other side. There
Oh.
are two parts we had.
right.
The other side also, both the sides.
So basically, the circular
Yes,
Yes, the
yes.
entire circular thing.
is opened up to
Yes.
be more fluffy and
yeah.
okay. So that's how it becomes full bloom. So right now you are blooming the flower.
Yes.
Wow, you seem to be an expert in such things. I guess you've been doing this a long time.
Yes.
All right.
So once you get this shape, you just
That's it.
yeah.
The flower is already made. I
no,
mean,
it's going to
I
be
mean-
soon made.
if you hold it in your hand like that,
Yes.
that looks,
Almost like it.
almost like a flower in itself.
yes.
All right.
Okay,
so
before we could proceed, take one piece of wire and you just put it in the middle so that you will get a long stem.
all right, and it's just twisted.
Yeah, I didn't twist, I just bent.
Just
Okay.
one bend.
It's
single
just a
one
normal
bend.
U bend.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you can just take thread
This is
Normal sewing thread.
normal sewing thread. Okay.
Yes. And you know the flower has this shape, right?
Yes. Slightly like a bulb.
Bulb.
Yes. So you can just press it. Don't press this side. You can just press on
So the base of that has to
To
be.
be pressed slightly.
Okay.
So you can.
Is
take-
there a particular reason for
To
doing?
get the shape, like a bell
Okay,
shape.
Like a bell shape, right?
Yes.
You're using normal sewing thread.
Sewing
Yes.
thread.
There is different varieties of thread also available. I mean, you have the thick cotton
Twines are
and the
available.
twine and all. Why not use something like that?
That will not give you the expected finish. It will not give.
So it's always advisable to use this. What about silk thread? Is silk thread any
They're
better?
not easy to handle. This is more easy to handle.
Okay. So
And you don't need a silk thread because it's going to be covered. So ordinary
Okay.
thread is enough.
so you just do a couple of rounds and then just tie it up there.
Yes.
Yes, right.
Open it. Your flower is ready. Only thing now we have to finish it. So you have to take the green paper
Okay.
and you cut them into maybe 5 centimeter into 6.5 centimeter.
Any particular reason for?
So that will cover this entire area.
Okay. Just before we get into that, I see that this is the paper that you said is duplex paper.
Yes.
One thing that I can say is it has distinct two different colors.
Colors.
Yes.
So
Is how do we know which is the right
So
color?
in the normal flower, we see most of the leaves and
Carnation
stems
comes
are
with this particular color.
Right.
Yeah, this
So
color.
basically, there is no front and back for this paper. You can
No.
use
Whichever is
whichever is it.
Yeah, which
So
Required,
why
we can
use
use it.
this paper only? I mean, is there a particular reason that we're using duplex paper and not, some other paper?
now we have the crepe paper also available.
Yes.
But they are very soft.
Okay.
It doesn't as the finish as good as the a duplex paper.
So this would hold and be
Yes.
firmer than.
Exactly.
and it's
Okay.
thick and it gives good texture also.
Okay. So the overall look of the flower, brightens up because of the texture and everything. Okay.
So already I have cut and kept,
Okay.
and you can take your zigzag scissor and give a cut only one side,
Okay.
and then you can just roll around it, and you can just use little glue.
The clear glue.
So this is the glue.
Very, very little glue, and hold it just for 2 seconds.
Alright, so this is not firmly placed around it.
No.
Just gently so that
Just
it's covering.
wrap-
Yes.
Okay. And how does this, stay in place once you glue it? Isn't it going to?
Now we are going to tie it with a green tape at the bottom.
Okay.
So you can take green tape, and then before that you just give the shape for this sepal.
Okay. Now, this green tape is readily available in any of the.
Any craft shop it is available.
Okay.
And then when you use this green tape, you need to remember each time you have to pull.
Stretch a little bit.
Only when you stretch it,
Mhm.
it can stick. Otherwise, it doesn't stick. Can you feel the difference here and there?
So. Okay. So these wrinkles that are there are basically where the adhesive is,
Yes.
and that's what holds it together.
Correct.
All right. As you tape that flower up and begin to shape it, we'll take a small break and come back. We'll be back after a short break. Welcome back to Craft Time. You were showing us the finishing of that carnation flower.
Yeah. I just put the sepal around the flower.
All right, and then
And-
we're going to tape this up.
Yeah. Before that, if you can tie, it will be handy to complete it.
Okay, again the same normal sewing thread. Just
Yes,
Green thread,
yes.
but
I
green
just
color. This time we're
used,
using a green color.
And just to make the stem a little thicker,
Okay.
we use cotton.
This is the regular cotton that
Regular
is
cotton,
available in
yes.
the market.
Yes.
So
Medical
you
store you can get it.
You can just take one
Thin layer.
and you don't need this much.
All right.
Yeah, you can just take half of this.
And we just cut it up.
Wrap it around on the steel wire.
So you can just tape it now.
Oh, you're just taping it with the
With
cotton.
With the cotton to get the
Yes.
stem little more thicker.
Okay.
So you keep the tape. I told you that we need to
Stretch it, right?
So you just roll it around 2-3 times.
All right.
Then bring the tape to the
At an angle.
slanting position, and then you can just roll.
As you roll it, you put in the cotton and you keep
Yes.
Yes,
pulling.
yes.
So this forms, the
Thicker
stem.
stem. Otherwise it look very thin.
Now you can probably add also the leaves or whatever
Yes,
while you're doing this.
Yes.
Okay.
So we'll just stop it here, and we'll make leaf. To make leaf, what you can do, just take
Any.
maybe 1 centimeter width
Okay.
and say around 3 centimeter long,
All right.
and then maybe another set 4 centimeter, and same width, but the length can be
Increased in a
A
centimeter.
gradual,
height.
a
Yes,
gradual
different
increase
height.
in.
Yes.
And I'll just show you how to cut one leaf.
All right.
You can just, you know how the carnation leaves look, right?
Right.
It's a thin leaf, and so you can just give a leaf cut.
That's
Like
it.
a conical shape.
All right. More like a elongated cone.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is called a grass cut.
Okay. Because it looks like grass.
Grass,
All right.
yes.
All right.
So I have already cut and kept. So I'll be using them now. So you can cut as many leaves you want.
All right. Why is it necessary to have the gradual increase? Now you've done just 3.
Yes.
Yes.
Is it just the 3 standard sizes?
No,
3,
not
4,
like
5,
that.
or is it like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7?
Normally
not
the
like that.
carnations are having minimum 5 to 7 leaves.
Okay.
So we are just following the same.
All right. All right. So as close as possible to the rail.
Get the original. Yes.
So you can just take some leaves, and as you are winding the tape, you can just keep the leaf. And the leaf comes in the opposite knot.
All right. So you 2 leaves together,
Yes,
and then you just continue with the roll.
yes,
All right. And that's how you have something like this created.
yes.
Yes.
And you can take the next set of leaf, but this time you keep it in the
The opposite.
direction. Don't keep in the same
So
direction.
you get this. You get something like this that comes up.
Yes.
Yes. To this side, to this side.
So it's just opposites
Each other.
to each other.
Yes.
Okay.
And
So-
for the bud also, you know, any flowers you will have bud.
Okay.
So to make bud, same way, but take single paper.
All right. So the concept is the same.
Yes.
Instead of
Yes.
using 2 sheets, you're
You'll be
using now
using
one
single
sheet.
paper for buds.
for a bud.
And all the other thing, the procedure is just same like making this flower.
All right. Can you tell us, why should we learn craft like this? I mean, why is it important to learn craft like this?
So the extra cotton can be removed it. Yes, you can.
An idle mind is devil's workshop.
Okay.
So once you're occupied with this kind of crafts, you are free from watching unwanted programs on the TVs, spending unwanted time in the television playing games, which is not a fruitful act. This will be a productive thing what you're doing,
All right.
and God will honor it.
So God honors the talents that we develop and we
Yes.
use to glorify Him.
Yes.
Very nice.
We have a story in the Bible in Matthew that the master gave 5 talent, 2 talent,
2 talents and 1 talent.
talent.
Yes.
So we see that it's multiplied for the person who
Exactly.
used it. So here the flower is ready now. So you have to now just give the final shape. Okay. So you can just bend it, and so whatever way you want, you can just do it. And for the flower, so whatever extra you have here, you just remove it.
Just shaping it.
Yes.
Now,
And then you can just give a cut here and there to give original look.
that's what God does with us. He shapes us like how this flower is being shaped. I pray that God blesses you as you use the craft that we have learned today to glorify God.